to help you determine which option best suits your business type and current credit situation. What are the easiest business credit cards to get approved for? If you have good or excellent personal credit, or if you have an established business with a good business credit score, most business credit cards should be fairly easy to get approved for. However, if your personal credit score is less than stellar, you still have some options. Secured business credit cards. You can typically get a secured credit card no matter your personal credit score. This type of business credit card requires an initial deposit that acts as your credit limit. Secured business credit cards are a great way to help you build credit as you pursue some of the more attractive business credit cards. Fair credit business credit cards. A fair credit score is generally around 580 to 669 in the FICO range, or 601 to 660 for Vantage score. You can find business credit cards for fair credit, though your options are more limited, and they typically don't offer competitive rewards or rates. Corporate credit cards. Most corporate cards don't require a credit check or personal guarantee. Instead, they rely on factors like your business revenue or cash on hand, and you can typically apply with your employer identification number, EIN, only. However, these cards usually aren't available to sole proprietorships or partnerships. Here are our top 7 picks for the easiest business credit cards to get, featuring a mix of secured cards, fair credit cards, and corporate cards. Ramp Business Credit Card. No interest charges or fees. Cashback on all purchases. Automated expense tracking and real-time insights. Unlimited physical and virtual cards for employees. Seamless integration with accounting tools and ERPs. Cons. Requires a business bank account. Only available to US-based businesses. The Ramp Business Credit Card is designed to save your business time and money. Ramp's built-in credit card expense management software offers customizable spend controls and automated expense tracking and reporting. Ramp also integrates with popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks, and it has no fees or % APR and no fees. Cashback rewards on all purchases that you can apply as a statement. Credit real-time expense tracking and insights. Integrates with major accounting software and ERPs. Unlimited virtual and physical cards for employees. Custom spend limits and approval workflows. FNBO Business Edition. Secured MasterCard. Credit Card. Helps build or rebuild business. Credit secured with a refundable deposit. Reports to business credit bureaus. Cons. Charges an annual fee. No rewards program. High variable APR. This secured business credit card from the First National Bank of Omaha is ideal for small business owners with little to no credit history. Your credit line is based on a refundable security deposit, and on-time payments help establish your business credit profile. However, it comes with no rewards and a relatively high APR. Secured card with deposit-based credit line reports to business credit bureaus. Annual fee of $39. Online account management Bank of America. Business. Advantage Unlimited. Cash rewards. Secured business. Credit card. 1.5% cash back on all purchases. No annual fee, helps build business credit. Converts to unsecured version with responsible use. Cons. Requires a security deposit. High variable, APR 4% balance transfer fee. Foreign transaction fees apply. This secured version of Bank of America's Unlimited Cash Rewards Card is great for new or rebuilding businesses. It earns 1.5% cash back on every purchase and has no annual fee. After consistent on-time payments, you may be upgraded to an unsecured card and receive your deposit back. 1.5% cash back on all purchases. No annual fee. Reports to business credit bureaus. Potential to upgrade to unsecured card security deposit required. Chase Inc. Business. Unlimited credit card. No annual fee. Introductory APR supports large upfront expenses. Simple rewards program with 1.5% cashback on all purchases. Cons. Foreign transaction fees apply. Reward structure may not suit category-specific spending. The Chase Inc. Business. Unlimited credit card offers straightforward rewards and 0% intro APR, making it an excellent choice for new or growing business.
Capital One Spark 1% Classic. Unlimited 1% cashback on all purchases. Unlimited 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. No annual or transaction fees. Fair credit scores accepted. Cons. Cashback rewards are slightly less than average. Hi April. The Spark 1% Classic is a solid starter card for businesses with fair or average credit. It offers unlimited 1% cashback on every purchase and helps you build credit while managing expenses. With no annual or foreign transaction fees, it's a cost-effective way to establish a financial foundation for your business. Unlimited 1% cashback on all purchases. No annual fee. No foreign transaction fees. Helps build or rebuild business credit. Free employee cards with spending controls. Valley Visa Secured Business Credit Card. Helps build business credit. No annual fee. Customizable credit line based on deposit. No rewards. Foreign transaction fees apply. Requires an upfront deposit of 110% of your credit limit. Must apply in person in a physical branch. The Valley Visa Secured Business Credit Card is geared toward businesses that need to establish or rebuild their credit history. Your credit limit is determined by the amount you deposit, giving you control over your available credit. With 1% cashback rewards, it offers a no-fee path to building a stronger business credit profile. Secured card with adjustable credit limit. Reports to business credit bureaus. No annual fee. Online account management. In-person application required. Comparing the 7 easiest business credit cards to get. While these cards are all easier to get than many traditional business credit cards, they differ quite a bit across details like fees, rewards, and business features. Here's a summary of each card so you can compare options at a glance. Card feature comparison. Ramp Business Credit Card. The fastest, easiest way to manage expenses. Email. What's your work email? Get started for free. Easiest overall business credit card to get. Card details. Get cash back on purchases. Unlimited physical and virtual employee cards. Access more than $350,000 in exclusive partner deals. Built-in expense management software. Customizable spend controls. Integrated bill pay. No fees or interest. FNBO Business Edition Secured MasterCard Credit Card. At Ramp, transparency and integrity are core values guiding our content. We believe in the exceptional value of our products, which may shape our perspective. Our methodical approach involves competitor analysis, comparison of credit cards, and frequent reviews to maintain reliability. Review our full methodology for choosing the best business credit cards. Discover Ramp's corporate card for modern finance. Ramp Corporate Card. What businesses of every size should look for in a credit card? Not all business credit cards are created equal, and what works for a startup won't necessarily benefit an enterprise. Here's an overview of the key features to look for based on your company's size and its unique needs. Small business owners. When you're building a small business, accessible credit is key. The right card establishes your financial credibility while supporting your day-to-day operations. What to look for? Cards with minimal or no personal credit requirements that approve based on your business revenue. These cards protect your personal credit while giving you the business financing you need. Secured card options that have clear paths to upgrade to unsecured cards. The best secured cards report to business credit bureaus and automatically review your account for upgrades. Low or no annual fees to keep costs down as you grow. Fee-free cards give you Essenti. Not all business credit cards are created equal, and what works for a startup won't necessarily benefit an enterprise. Here's an overview of the key features to look for based on your company's size and its unique needs. Small business owners. When you're building a small business, accessible credit is key. The right card establishes your financial credibility while supporting your day-to-day operations. What to look for? Cards with minimal or no personal credit requirements that approve based on your business revenue. These cards protect your personal credit while giving you the business financing you need. Secured card options that have clear paths to upgrade to unsecured cards. The best secured cards report to business credit bureaus and automatically review your account for upgrades. Low or no annual fees to keep costs down as you grow. Fee-free cards give you essential credit without adding extra expenses. Flat rate reward structure so you don't have to track complex categories. Straightforward cashback programs let you maximize returns without spending time optimizing rewards. Startups. As a startup, you need financing.